Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Puerto Rican style sofrito. It's the main flavoring condiment of a lot of the Hispanic recipes, but this particular version does not have tomatoes, which is common in Puerto Rico. So begin at the bottom of your food processor and add 2 onions and 1 head of garlic that you peeled off the cloves. And we're going to process together. After processing the onions and the garlic together, we're going to add what's called culantro or recao. It is a important part of this recipe, so you're going to need 5 of these leaves. You can find this at a Hispanic market and possibly Asian market too. So after adding the culantro, we're going to add 1 bunch of cilantro that I've thoroughly cleaned. Process these ingredients together. After processing these ingredients together, I'm going to add 5 green bell peppers with the machine running and 1 red bell pepper. And that's it. Once you get these ingredients pureed together, find yourself an oak jars of some sort container and pour it in there and use it for all of your recipes. And this will keep well in the fridge for about 2 to 3 weeks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.